Looking for the perfect pair of binoculars in 2025? Whether you're into birdwatching, hiking, stargazing, or attending live sports and concerts, having the right binoculars can truly enhance your experience. In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best binoculars of 2025, each chosen for their crystal clear optics, durability, and user-friendly features. From compact models for on-the-go use to powerful zoom options for long-range viewing, we've got something here for everyone. We'll break down the specs, share real-world insights, and help you decide which binoculars are worth your investment this year. So before you buy, watch this complete guide to make a smarter choice. These are the binoculars adventurers, nature lovers, and travelers are raving about in 2025. Number 5. Bushnell PowerView 2.8x21 Binoculars. Looking for a budget-friendly binocular that delivers solid performance without the bulk? The Bushnell PowerView 2.8x21 binoculars are a compact powerhouse perfect for beginners, casual users, and anyone on the go in 2025. These binoculars offer 8x magnification and 21mm objective lenses, ideal for quick sightseeing, travel, or stadium viewing. What stands out is the rugged all-metal chassis, stronger than plastic alternatives, and its non-slip rubber armor that ensures a firm, comfortable grip. The multi-coated optics improve light transmission for brighter, clearer images in well-lit conditions, making them perfect for daytime use. They easily fit in your pocket or bag, and at just over 7 ounces, you'll barely notice them during a hike or event. Whether you're watching birds, traveling through a new city, or enjoying a concert, the PowerView 2 gives you clear, steady visuals at an unbeatable value. It's simple, durable, and always ready, making it one of the best entry-level binoculars in 2025 for those who want convenience without compromise. Number 4. Maven C2 10x28mm Compact Binocular. If you're searching for a premium compact binocular in 2025, the Maven C2 10x28mm is a standout choice for travelers, sports fans, and urban explorers alike. Don't let its small size fool you. This ultra-portable binocular packs serious optical punch with 10x magnification and crystal clear, edge-to-edge resolution. Built with high-quality ED glass and fully multi-coated lenses, it delivers sharp images with minimal glare and outstanding color accuracy. The lightweight polymer frame is rugged and weather-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor adventures in unpredictable conditions. With its sleek design, excellent eye relief, and easy central focus wheel, the C2 offers an effortless, enjoyable viewing experience wherever you go. Weighing under a pound, it fits neatly in your jacket or backpack without sacrificing performance. Whether you're watching a football match, scanning the skyline, or observing wildlife on the trail, the Maven C2 delivers high-end optics in a compact body. It's the perfect grab-and-go binocular for those who want performance, portability, and premium build quality in one stylish package. Number 3. Celestron 71401 Trail Seeker ED8x32 Roof Prism Binocular. Compact yet mighty, the Celestron Trail Seeker ED8x32 binocular is a favorite for travelers, hikers, and birders who want quality optics without the bulk. In 2025, this model stands out for its lightweight magnesium alloy body and exceptional image performance, thanks to extra-low dispersion (ED) glass that reduces chromatic aberration and enhances color fidelity. With 8x magnification and a 32mm objective lens, it strikes a perfect balance between portability and viewing clarity. The fully multi-coated lenses and phase-coated Bach 4 prisms deliver crisp, high-contrast images with impressive brightness, even in low light. It's also waterproof and nitrogen-purged, so you won't need to worry about rain or fog during outdoor adventures. Twist-up eyecups and a wide field of view make it comfortable for extended viewing sessions. Whether you're tracking birds on the move or admiring scenic views from a mountainside, the Trail Seeker ED gives you sharp visuals in a sleek package. It's a top-tier mid-size binocular built for explorers on the go. Number 2. Vortex Optics Viper HD Roof Prism Binoculars 10x42. When you demand high-end performance without a luxury price tag, the Vortex Optics Viper HD 10x42 binoculars step up as a powerhouse in 2025. Built for hunters, birdwatchers, and serious adventurers, these binoculars offer exceptional image quality through premium HD glass and XR fully multi-coated lenses. The 10x magnification combined with a 42mm objective lens delivers razor-sharp resolution with impressive low-light performance, ideal for dawn or dusk viewing. The rugged, lightweight magnesium chassis is O-ring sealed and argon purged, making it fully waterproof and fog-proof for extreme conditions. You'll also love the comfortable twist-up eyecups and locking diopter for a custom fit. Vortex's ArmorTech coating protects lenses from scratches, oil, and dirt, adding to its long-term durability. Whether you're tracking wildlife from afar or scanning mountain ridges, the Viper HD delivers vibrant, edge-to-edge clarity that rivals much pricier models. With a lifetime VIP warranty backing it up, this is a trusted, pro-level optic that punches well above its weight class. Number 1. Nikon Monarch M5 8x42 Binocular. If you're after incredible clarity and rugged reliability, the Nikon Monarch M5 8x42 Binocular is a serious contender in 2025. Designed for nature lovers, birders, and outdoor explorers, this binocular delivers crisp images thanks to its extra-low dispersion, ED, glass and fully multi-coated optics. You get an ultra-wide field of view, perfect for spotting wildlife in motion or sweeping landscapes. It's also waterproof, fog-proof, and built with a rubber-armored body for solid grip and durability in any weather condition. Nikon's turn and slide eyecups offer comfortable extended viewing, while the 8x magnification paired with a 42mm objective lens hits the sweet spot between brightness and detail. Whether you're hiking through forests or attending outdoor events, the Monarch M5 offers top-tier optical performance without breaking the bank. Lightweight, reliable, and sharp in every sense, this is one of the best binoculars for all-around use in 2025. It's a trusted pick for enthusiasts who want performance and precision in every view. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best binoculars of 2025. Whether you're a traveler, birder, or outdoor enthusiast, there's a perfect match here for every adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Fact for more in-depth and honest tech product reviews. All the binoculars featured in this video are linked in the description below for your convenience. Drop a comment and let us know which one you'd choose, and stay tuned for more top tech reviews coming your way.